So I look around YouTube and I see so many people in the self-care world that are fantastic content creators. But here's the problem. I try to be like them in a way where it comes out correct, but it's not me. What's up guys, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one talks just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell before I teleport like... Yeah. So I've been feeling very confused lately, mostly at myself. The purpose of this channel is to help people improve their personal care and sexual health. For those that don't have this type of information in school, or if they are too shy or embarrassed to ask their parents or their guardians or whoever, this is the place to find this type of information. However, I look around and I'm like, I notice my content style isn't like everyone else's. Like if you're on YouTube and then you hear someone says, if you see a mistake, take charge in your life. I more would say some shit like, wake the fuck up and see what the hell you're doing wrong, so this way you can be the badass motherfucker that you know you can be. And that's one of the problems. I curse a lot. And that's not to say that I don't know any other words or any like words to describe how I feel, but I choose these words to show intent and emotion. For example, you can say something like, I love vegan burgers. Or you can say, I fucking love vegan burgers. Do you see the emotion? Do you see the intent of when I say that? Some people don't like it, and that's completely okay. There are many other content creators on this platform that would fit their needs in terms of absorbing self-care content. And I'm completely cool with that, to each his own. I don't want to like sugarcoat things and make it like seem lighter than it is, or maybe it is lighter and I'm just extremely vivid about it. But the way how I talk to myself in some situations, it may help for some of you or it may not. I just want to deliver content my own way, like fuck the bullshit. I've been liking ASMR for quite a while, and to be honest with you, it kind of ties into the realm of self-care when you think about it. It helps you distress, it helps you relax, it helps you fall asleep. If I can help someone with their anxieties just by making sounds, isn't that self-care? I want to take different aspects of content and put them in the realm of self-care and sexual health. I want to experiment with different styles. Some people may not like that, and that's cool. I'm chill a little bit. Some people may not like the style of content that I make, but fuck it, what can you do? If we can agree to look past the cursing or look past the goofy side, can you see the context of what I'm trying to say? Can that bring value to you? And you know what? That's when it hit me. I should be the anti-hero of self-care. People may not agree with my methods or the way how I deliver the content, but my intentions are legit. If everyone is wearing all white, drinking white wine, I'd rather be in all black, drinking red. Choose your pick. Just kidding. We gotta hurry up because I got a female waiting for me and we got no time to be playing games. We got no time to be playing games. All right, so. But you catch what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to just be another person who's just talking the same way just like everyone else is. If I said, yo, you're fucking up, you're fucking up. That's it. Dunzo. Done. Finito. Anyways, I'm done-o.